do that. Take this so the door can go here.
last one was the body, that was the outline. Now this is step 2.